Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering on the Jio Setup Box and your television. Confirm both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi 2, 4 GHz network. Keep your phone within 10 meters of the set-top box to maintain a stable connection. If you plan to use an HDMI cable, use a 2-meter cable for flexible placement. Verify your phone supports Miracast for Android devices or AirPlay for Apple iOS devices before proceeding to mirroring. Go to Settings on the Jio Set-Top Box and select Display, then Screen Mirroring. Toggle Miracast on to make the set-top discoverable by phones and tablets on the same network. On an Android phone, open Quick Settings and tap Cast, then choose the Jio Set-Top device name from the list. If the TV shows a 4-digit PIN, type that PIN on your phone to pair the devices securely. Wait a few seconds for the connection to establish, and then start sharing your screen. If mirroring does not work, restart both the Jio Set-Top Box and your phone and try again. Check for and install any available firmware updates on the set-top to fix compatibility issues. For iOS devices, confirm AirPlay compatibility because Miracast is an Android standard and will not work with all Apple devices. Keep the phone within 10 meters of the set-top to avoid dropouts and reduce other heavy network traffic while mirroring. As a last resort, consider a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.